Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to today's episode of Sahasra Yaga of Sahasra Yoga, an online lecture series on Sahasra Yogam by Tadvidya Sambhasha Parishat. Myself, Dr. Pallavi Saurabh, Assistant Professor in the Department of Rasashastra and Vaishajya Kalpana, Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya, Hubballi. Today, I am going to narrate about the formulation named Amra Pallavadi Kashaya, also known as Aruchihara Amra Kashaya, mentioned in Sahasra Yoga Kashaya Prakarana. Amra Pallava Tadvrunta Bilva Laja Ardraka Ikshubhihi Kesaraihi Matulungasya Siddha Kvatho Aruchim Haret. The ingredients are Amra Pallava 1 part, Amra Pallava Vrunta 1 part, Bilva Patra 1 part, Laja 1 part, Ardraka 1 part, Ikshupatra 1 part, Matulunga Kesara 1 part, Jala 4 times to all the above ingredients. As all the ingredients are mrudu, 4 times water is sufficient here. Method of preparation. All the mentioned ingredients are taken in their coarse form with mentioned quantity of water and boiled over mandagni till it reduces to 1/4 part. Dose 1 to 2 pala. Indication. According to Falashruti, Amra Pallavadi Kashaya can be indicated in Aruchi with Sukhoshna Jala. Now, let us see the mode of action of Amra Pallavadi Kashaya in Aruchi. Aruchi or tastelessness. Here, person will have absolute no desire for taking food. He feels tastelessness. According to classics, due to various Ahitakara Nidanas, Agnimanda occurs. Thereafter, person develops aruchi. Aruchi is the first and foremost symptom of almost all the diseases mentioned in classics, and definitely there will be involvement of ama. So, when we treat ama here by Deepana, Pachana, Sroto, Shodhana drugs, automatically aruchi symptoms can be relieved. Most of the drugs in this formulation are having Deepana, Pachana property. So, does Ama Pachana and Agni Deepana. Formulation has Madhura Amla Pradhanyata. Here, Amla Rasa stimulates the salivary glands and increases the salivary secretions. Thereby, person will have desire to intake the food. All the drugs of this formulation like Amra, Bilva, Laja, Ikshu, Matulunga, Ardraka have Rochana or Rucha Karma, so therefore helpful in treating Aruchi. Applicability other than Aruchi. Amra Pallavadi Kashaya can be indicated in all the Annava Srota Vikaras, Udakava Srota Vikaras and to some extent in Mutrava Srota Vikaras. Amra Pallavadi Kashaya is also helpful in cardiac diseases as a supporting medicine. Here, drugs like Amra Pallava, Matulunga, Bilvapatra are considered under the group of Pancha Pallava and are having Hridya action. As these drugs are Amla Pradhanya Rasa drugs, shows Hridya action. In cardiac diseases, there will be involvement of Ama, Rasadushti and obstruction of Vata is a causative factor for Hridroga. Amla Rasa is composed of Prithvi and Agni Mahabhuta. Due to its Agneya Guna and Deepana Karma, it does Amapachana and by means of Ushna Snigdha Guna and Vatanulomana property, Amla Rasa brings Vata in normal state and breaks down the pathophysiology of Hridroga. Next indication is Trishna. All the drugs of this Amra Pallavadi Kashaya are having Trishnahara action. In diabetic patients who suffers from polydipsia or excessive thirst, we can administer Amra Pallavadi Kashaya. Most of the drugs shows hypoglycemic effect and also helpful in diabetes. Mutravaha Sroto Vikaras. Drugs like Bilva and Ikshu are having Mutrala property. Ikshu, one among the Truna Panchamula, shows Mutrala effect here. So, can be prescribed in conditions of small sized urinary calculi. Next indication, Shula. Most of the drugs in this formulation are having Deepana Pachana action. Matulunga is considered as Vatarthigna, that is, it controls Vataja Shula. Bilva is having Vatahara action. According to Shodala Nigantu, it is said as Bilva Patram tu Vatanut. So, it is considered as best Shulagna Dravya. Matulunga, according to Raja Nigantu, it is considered as Jatara Gadahrut, that is, it cures all the abdominal diseases. So, in case of peptic ulcers with severe abdominal pain, Amrapallavadi Kashaya can be prescribed. Next indication, Chardi. Amrapallava, Matulunga, Laja are having Chardigna property. As all the ingredients of this formulation are safe, it can also be prescribed in Garbhini Chardi. Next indication, Atisara and Grahani, that is irritable bowel syndrome. In both these conditions, required treatment is Deepana, Pachana and Sangrahi Chikitsa. Most of the drugs like Amrapallava, Bilva, Ardraka, Laja, Matulunga are having Deepana, Pachana and Sangrahi action. So, due to its Sangrahi action, it can be administered in both the conditions like Atisara and Grahani. Here to conclude, Amrapallavadi Kashaya can treat all the Annavasroto Vikaras, Udakavasroto Vikaras and to some extent Mutravaha Sroto Vikaras. Thank you.